This black box can serve more than one machine. Over here, we have a scroll saw with a Whirlwind safety guard attached. Now, if we just unplug the bandsaw here and plug in the scroll saw, we have the same safety features for our scroll saw as well. So let's try a cut. Let's arm the brake. Start. Emergency stop, my fingers got too close. Rearm the brake. Start again. And stop. You know, when properly supervised, children can experience machine woodworking, cut out shapes for coloring or painting. This added margin of safety is perfect for that activity, and kids just love it after having a lesson or two.